Welcome back to yet another tutorial. On this video, we are going to cover how to secure your previously created meetings to only allow RGUHSD accounts to access. If you have not yet watched the previous videos in the series, please do so now so that your account will be configured correctly to allow this action. I will be pasting the links to these videos in the description down below. First, let's navigate to www.zoom.us. Once there, select Sign In. From the Sign In screen, scroll down and select Sign In with Google. Now that's going to bring up the Meetings section. You're going to see a list of all of your meetings for the day, as well as your reoccurring meetings down below. Now for me, I want to configure one of my previously created reoccurring meetings to only allow authenticated users in. I'm going to go to my ISAT meeting. Now you have two options. You can select Edit from this screen, or you can select the meeting itself to go in and view the settings. Now, this isn't going to be a section where you can configure the meeting from this spot, but you'll be able to see what is set. And as you can see here, under meeting options, the only authenticated users can join is not selected. So I'm going to go down to the bottom, and next to start this meeting, you'll see an option to edit this meeting. I'm going to select edit this meeting, and I'm going to scroll down to meeting options, and I'm going to check only authenticated users can join. As you can see, down below are the domains that will be allowed to have access to this meeting, which I find acceptable, and I am going to save these settings. This meeting is now locked out from the outside world and will only be accessible from authorized RGUHSD accounts. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you on the next one.